Hello YouTube, this is Kranos43. This is not an out of the box, and it's done in a little lower quality than usual because I want this to look real, because this is an unboxing of something that I have no idea what it is. A friend of mine sent this to me. She wanted me to do an unboxing video of it when I get it. I got it. I don't know what it is. All I know is it's from ThinkGeek. If it's a severed head, I'm going to be very upset. Let's see what we've got here. Oh my God. It's chocolate dice. 60% cacao chocolate dice. Check this out. Move the camera. Look at that. It's freaking awesome. There. I can't for the life of me eat these. This is just too awesome. Thank you. Four, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 20. Chocolate dice. I can't. I would, I'd be opening this up and eating these right now, but I can't open these. Or, I can smell the chocolate through the packaging. I can't bring myself to eat these. Thank you. Yeah, so wasn't expecting that. She said it was a surprise. I am surprised. Anyway, that's it for the random video of randomness. Take care. Peace.